Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use tracking tool in CapCut. Here are the steps to use the tracking tool in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app, then tap New Project. Start a new video editing project. Choose your main video. Choose a clip from your gallery that includes a subject or object to track. Then tap Add. Play the video and find the object to track. Scrub the timeline to the point where the object begins moving. Tap the clip on the timeline to select it. This opens the editing options at the bottom. Tap Camera Tracking. Scroll the toolbar at the bottom until you find Tracking or Camera Tracking. Adjust the tracking box. Tap on Custom, then a white box will appear. Drag and resize it to fit around the object or subject you want to track to. Tap Start Tracking or Track. CapCut will now follow the object as it moves in the video. Wait for the tracking process to complete. This may take a few seconds depending on the video length and motion. Preview your video. Play the video to make sure the object is being tracked accurately with the attached element. Tap the export. Your tracking and attached elements are now saved to your project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.